Here you can use AI to venture on your journey. Tell any story you want. Create any place for any character. Sing anything you wish.
In any voice. Just type a simple text prompt and I can be
a soldier,
a sorceress,
or a gentle giant.
I can be a child, walking through mountain ranges, forbidden forests, futuristic city streets, dwarven mines, battlefields, attack ships on fire, off distant planets. This is the world of endless possibility.
Today we will learn how to make AI animation story
Dr.
with
Olivia
one of
Stone
best
takes a
AI
moment to
video
absorb the
generator for
awe-inspiring
Faceless YouTube
beauty
channel.
of the Martian
Let's
landscape.
dive into the fascinating world of
The mission
AI
has just
animation
begun, but she is
storytelling
already
with the best
consumed by
AI
her
video
quest to uncover
generator.
the secrets
If you're
of this
ready to bring your
mysterious
narratives
planet.
to life effortlessly, stay
A symphony of
tuned.
science unfurls as the team under Dr. Stone's command embarks on their monumental quest. From the red sands, a relic emerges, its existence a silent challenge to their understanding. Dr. Olivia Stone, cradling the artifact, is confronted by a reality that challenges her beliefs. Beneath the gaze of Martian peaks, the team return to their base, the artifact, an enigmatic passenger from the past. Within the base's metallic confines, voices rise, the relic's origin becoming a wedge, driving them apart. Mars roars with a sandstorm, turning day to night, severing their lifeline to Earth. In their tempest's heart, Dr. Stone unearths a hidden truth, a panel of alien language on the artifact. United in desperation, the team deciphers the alien language, a beacon of hope in the storm. The artifact stirs, a blinding light that reduces the team to Martian dust, leaving only empty spacesuits. As the storm yields, it leaves behind a deserted camp, a silent artifact, and an unanswered call to the stars. All are from the dust, and to dust all return.
Let's see another example that we can create with the software we are going to reveal today.
When it comes to making friends, but one thing she knows for sure is that she loves cats more than anything. Just look at her room. It's filled with lots of cat toys and drawings of cats. It's like a cat wonderland.
Kid story-based
that shows how
YouTube
much she
channels
loves
are
them.
earning huge money
One
from their
rainy
channels.
afternoon,
With
Mia
this
sits in her
website, you
room
can
looking
also
out the
create
window.
AI-generated
She feels
story
very
videos
lonely
that you
and
want.
wishes she had friends
Everything
to
is
play with.
automated.
Suddenly, Mia hears a little kitty crying. She looks up and sees a scared kitten stuck high in a tree. She knows she has to help it. All the other kids are watching Mia climb. They can't believe what she's doing. They're really surprised to see shy Mia being so brave. Mia climbed down the tree and the kitten was rescued. 3 cheers for Mia, shouted the kids. The next day, all the kids are talking about how brave Mia was. They call her Mia the Brave. She's now a little hero, and she looks very happy. Mia is not lonely anymore. She's playing and laughing with her new friends on the playground. She's really happy now, and she feels like she belongs.
Today we will learn how to make this kind of AI videos
Benjamin
within
Bunny,
few
the clever
simple
bunny
steps within a
detective,
single
enjoys
AI
a
tool.
moment of
And let's see
tranquility in
another
his meadow,
example for
unaware of
kids-friendly
the
story
mystery that
so
is
that I am
about to come
assuring
his
it that the
way.
stories will be awesome, but without much effort.
The distressed squirrel's letter reaches Benjamin's paws, unraveling the mystery of the missing acorns that have left her in despair. Benjamin, the keen detective, scours the meadow for any signs left behind by the mysterious thief. His sharp eyes are quick to find the hidden clue left intentionally. Bunny's investigation takes an unexpected turn as he uncovers not just missing acorns, but also delicate butterfly wings and bird feathers. He becomes aware of a greater mystery at play. Our brave detective, undeterred by the treacherous paths ahead, ventures forward to uncover the truth. What awaits him in its depths is a sight that he couldn't have imagined.
Stay connected.
Benjamin
We will learn how to
confronts
make
Max,
this kind of
the
videos
thief
within
behind
few
the
steps.
disappearing acorns and treasures. Undeterred and charismatic, the culprit stands his ground. The bunny, with his unwavering empathy, convinces Max that there is a better way to find happiness than stealing. A fragile connection is born. Benjamin and Max team up to create an enchanting exhibition in the meadow, bringing beauty and wonder through the very items that were once wrongly taken. The animals of the meadow gather around the exhibits, captivated by the delicate beauty of nature's wonders. Benjamin and Max's redemption story touches every heart, big and small.
You can also create Facebook Reels if you wish by making this kind of vertical videos.
Through the graffiti
Stay
splashed
around, we
labyrinth
will
of
see
city
how to
back
make
streets,
AI storytelling
Marina passed the infamous
videos with
Echoes
few easy
Alley.
steps.
Marina, a lone wanderer, braced herself for the whispers that always followed her there. However, tonight, the echoes took a more than usually unsettling form. The wind stilled, and the bricks shimmered like a mirage, revealing shadowy figures scrawling her secrets, reciting her deepest, most intimate thoughts. Panic gripped Marina, yet she could not move, compelled to watch her life story painted on the brick canvas. The alley was transformed into a living biography of Marina's most intimate thoughts. By dawn, the
Now
alley
let's
silent,
jump straight
and
to
deadly
make an
stillness
animated
fell.
video like
She
this.
stood there,
Check
her
the
heart
link in
echoing the
description
silence
and
of the
visit to
once
the
animated
website.
alley.
And
As the
sign
sun
up with your
dawned, she
email
left.
address.
Only the
You will
echo
find an
of a
option
single
named
whisper
Story
remained.
Studio
"We
in
know
left
you
menu
now,
bar.
Marina."
Click on the Story Studio button. Then click Create New Story. If you have a script of a story, then click I have a story. We assume that we don't have story yet, so we will click on Help me get a story. Then you will find AI ask you who is your audience. We selected 6 years old children. Then select Teach Children. And then Fantasy. And on text box field we write Babies Mystery Movies as an idea of our story. AI will start developing script, and within minute it provides us a video script outline. Let's check and finalize the script, and then finally click on the button Create this story. Select story format you want. Then select visual style of your story. We want 3D cartoon style. It may take a minute or more. Characters of story is developing by AI. Wait sometimes. After all characters generation complete, click on Continue to Storyboard button. Please wait few minutes to develop final video by AI. It also takes some times. And after few minutes you will see the magic of this AI tool. In the meantime, if you like our video, please subscribe. Here is the scenes of our story-based AI-generated video. Don't forget to check the link in the description to start developing your own video story. After completion of rendering, you can export the video and will able to use on your YouTube Faceless channel if you want to earn passive money. You may need to sign in again to get final video. After login we will able to export our video. If server is too busy, then it may be failed. Don't worry, try again and you will find your video is ready to download. Now let's see what our AI finally built for us.
In a magical forest filled with life and wonder, there lived a fairy named Lily. She was the guardian of the forest, the one who created the precious nectar that kept everything alive. One fateful morning,
Is
Lily
not it
opened her
awesome?
eyes to a
No
sight that
tension to
filled her
create
heart
script
with dread.
or even video
The once
editing.
lively forest was now filled with fading colors and dying plants. With a desperate determination, Lily used every ounce of her magic, trying every spell and enchantment she knew, but her powers seemed to have vanished into thin air. Unable to find a solution, Lily turned to her loyal companion, Nutmeg. The wise and clever talking squirrel never failed to offer guidance in times of need. With hope in their hearts, Lily and Nutmeg embarked on a treacherous journey through the mysterious forest, their tiny feet stepping carefully on each mossy stone. Along their path, they encountered a fearsome creature, its eyes filled with menace and teeth glowing in the moonlight. But Lily and Nutmeg stood their ground, refusing to be intimidated.
It is 2 minutes plus video.
After enduring
Hope you
countless
enjoyed.
trials, Lily and Nutmeg finally arrived at the Wise Owl's dwelling. The majestic bird sat regally on a branch, its wise eyes gleaming with knowledge. Determined to regain her magic, Lily and Nutmeg dedicated their days to performing acts
If you
of
find our
kindness.
video helpful,
They comforted
please
a
like,
weeping
comment
bird
and
by
share.
helping it build
And
a
don't
warm
forget
and
to
cozy
subscribe.
nest.
Thanks for watching.
Gradually, their selfless acts of kindness began to bear fruit. As Lily and Nutmeg looked around, they witnessed the beauty of their restored forest, where blossoming flowers and vibrant leaves danced with joy. As the forest reveled in newfound life, the animals, sensing the return of magic, frolicked and played, celebrating the return of their vibrant and beautiful home.
If you want to remove watermark, please
Lily and
upgrade
Nutmeg
from free
stood
plan.
proudly together,
It will only
their
cost
smiles reflecting the
$6.42
triumph
monthly
of
and
overcoming
$77
adversity,
billed
and the joy of
annually when
knowing
you
that
visit through our link.
kindness and perseverance had saved their beloved forest. With their mission complete, Lily and Nutmeg said their farewells to the enchanted forest, their hearts filled with gratitude and a bond forged through friendship and bravery that would be remembered for generations to come.